In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to candlesticks or fix missing candles in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know how to switch chart types with confidence and how to bring candles back if they seem to vanish. Let's start with chart types. At the top of your Tradingview window, look for the candlestick icon. Click it to open the chart type menu. You'll see several choices. Bars provide a simple open and close view with a minimal look. Lines connect closing prices over time, which is great for spotting overall trends without noise. Areas are like line charts with the space underneath filled, which can help you sense momentum at a glance. And of course, there are more options in that same list. To use standard candlesticks, choose Candles. That will display each candle's body, borders, and wicks so you can read opens, highs, lows, and closes clearly. Here is no single right choice. Here, feel free to experiment with different types depending on whether you want clarity, simplicity, or detail for your analysis. Now, if your candles suddenly disappear, it's usually just a display toggle. You can actually hide candlesticks on purpose, which is handy if you are focusing on indicators. To do that, right-click anywhere on the chart where the candlesticks appear and select Hide. If you did that accidentally, don't worry. To bring them back, look at the top panel near your symbol or ticker name. Move your mouse along the top if you don't see it right away. Then click Show. Your candlesticks should reappear instantly in the exact style you were using. If they still don't show up the way you expect, check the symbol settings. Right-click the chart and choose Settings. Then open the Symbol tab. Make sure body, borders, and wick are all checked. These control the visible parts of each candle. While you are there, confirm that the colors you are using are easy to see against your background. If the candles blend into the chart, switch to contrasting colors so the body, the outline, and the wick stand out clearly. That's it. Thanks for watching.